So today I'm going to be talking about digital footprints and how important it is for our students to understand what that means. Um, Part of our jobs as teachers is to set our kids up for the working world after high school, after college. And something I don't think they realize is that your digital footprint not only represents the things that you post or the sites that you visit, um, but what you're tagged in, what you're associated with, groups you might be a part of on Facebook, things you follow on Twitter, pictures you like on Instagram. All of these things are accessible by employers and can really harbor your job opportunities and can limit hiring possibilities just from those experiences. So it's important for students to know that everything that they do, literally everything that they do, is tracked online, and it can be easily accessible from even a Google search. It might have to be a little extensive, but the hiring processes tend to be extensive, and it's important for our students to understand that and to be aware of what they're posting, what they're following, and the people that tag them in things, to be sure that nothing that they're tagged in is inappropriate or something that they wouldn't want future employers to see. Thank you.